Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be unboxing this electronic from Home Depot. We acquired this yesterday, got it delivered today. Gonna serve two purposes. October for Halloween, the rest of the year, sneaky. So we'll go ahead and get this set up and then we'll be back for the display. Okay, so this seems to be all the parts that came in the box. Should be up and running in about an hour and a half, maybe. We'll be right back in 2 hours. So the Parrot itself, fairly large. Actually, it's quite large. This feels like some kind of faux fur, kind of like a shag rug. It does have a feel of feathers, but definitely not feathers. It has no texture in the back or details of feathers. Neither does the tail, but I'm sure you can modify it. Kind of looks more like a condor. Yeah, you get a closer look of it. The details here. And then we got the perch, which has the electronics. And then we got the feet over there, and then the base. So let's get it set up first. Bird through that hole. You know, set them on there. It's gonna scare your doggy over there. And there's another screw here. And then there's another screw here. You insert this in here. Go ahead and tighten that up. Now this top screw doesn't appear to thread all the way through. It does hit the bracing. It's just meant to stabilize it, secure it there. It is powered by the jack here. It doesn't like to be operated by batteries. So we'll plug it in, give it a run. All right, so we got that plugged in, connected to 1.21 gigawatts of power. Let's see this puppy go. Where's the instructions?
Make your question quick. My feathers are going to screen themselves.
How old are you?
Not sure. Bring me a cracker and ask again.
Do you like beagles?
I can tell your future if you have a question, human.
Who will win on Sunday between Spain and Argentina?
Nope, not happening. Sky's looking stormy.
Tequila or rum?
My feathers are ruffled. Signs point to no, human.
So this was the interactive mode. We're gonna switch it over to timer sensor. There's also a step pad, which I don't have a step pad. So we'll do the timer sensor.
Keep your wits sharp. Strange fog's rolling in tonight. I'll watch the skies. You
Here's
watch
the
the
sensor
deck.
here. Might be on a delay.
Dead men tell no tales, but parrots repeat them. Mind the railing, matey.
So it does appear to have a servo appears in the mouth. I wouldn't recommend leaving it outside. This is definitely going to get damaged. It is appear to have a hard shell plastic, but water can easily get into the cracks. This will probably get ruined in the weather. So overall, I give it a 3.5. I mean, it is cool. It's the only prop we're buying this year. I do plan on feathering it. Maybe the base, put a little more weathering, make it look a little more wood. It's gonna sit in the tiki bar in the corner. It'll probably be on silent just to move around a little bit. The dogs will love it. They're obviously gonna bark at it all the time. But I would recommend it. Hey, Parrot.
Make your question quick. My feathers are going to breed themselves.
What would Jimmy Buffett say at this time, Parrot Head?
Aye, aye, Captain. The winds favor your wish.
Sayonara.